This video is part 3 of a series about how to make a LAMP web server in VirtualBox. Throughout the series, we'll install Linux, Apache, Maria Database, and PHP, along with other helpful tools. The focus of this video is to install Apache. Then we can serve web pages. In the last video, we installed Webmin. To watch that, see the link in the description. We'll continue from where we left off. In VirtualBox, there are 3 snapshots so far. To get the machine running, click the button Start. Like before, we won't access the server directly. So once the machine is booted, minimize the window. Now open a browser of your choice. We'll start in Webmin. Enter the IP of the server and port 10,000. Log in as root. Before installing new software, it's a good idea to make sure the system is up to date. Webmin keeps us informed of this. See here that package updates are available. There is also a notification icon on the right. Open that and you'll see the same message. Click the message in either place and Software Package Updates opens. Click the button Update Selected Packages. Then Install Now. The system is up to date. Now we're ready to install Apache. In the System section, select Software Packages. In the section Install a New Package, click the radio button, Package from APT. We know the name of the package, so it's easy enough to enter it now. But to demonstrate, if you're not sure of the exact name, there is the button Search APT. This pops open a window with a search input. Enter Apache and click Submit. This results in many names and the descriptions. Here it is down some lines. Click it and it becomes the value input after the pop-up closes. With the radio button selected and name entered, click the button Install. It takes a moment for Webmin to compile the list of packages to install. Once listed, click the button Install Now. It goes on quite a bit, so you'll have to scroll the browser window down. Install is complete. Next, configure Webmin to know that Apache is installed. On the left, click the last option, Refresh Modules. This adds Apache Web Server to the Server section. Click it, and controls for Apache appear on the right. Here you can adjust settings and create new virtual hosts. There are buttons to restart or stop Apache. I won't spend a lot of time here in this video, but more in later videos in the series. Let's at least see how to manage Apache modules. Click the tab Global Configuration. Choose Configure Apache Modules. This shows all available modules and which ones are active. I'll enable 2 we need eventually. Rewrite and SSL. We won't use these yet, but might as well enable them now. Click the button Enable Selected Modules. The modules are activated and Apache restarts. To test Apache, open a new tab and enter the IP of the server. Remove the port. Then it defaults to port 80, standard for HTTP. You should see the Apache 2 Debian default page. Apache is working. Now let's look at where the HTML is stored. Go back to the tab for Webmin. On the left, open the Tools section. Choose File Manager. In the tree view, click var. Then www. Then HTML. By default, this is where Apache looks for content. This is known as the document root. Here is HTML for the default page we saw a moment ago. Let's change it to something else. First, rename the default file so we don't overwrite it. Right-click on index.html and choose Rename. I'll add .original to the name. To the right is a menu. Choose File. Then, Create New File. Name it index.html. Click Create. An empty file editor opens. I'll paste in some HTML for a simple web page. To the right is a disk icon, which turns red when there are unsaved changes. Click it, and the file is saved. Click the X to close the window. Go back to the tab for the web page. Refresh. There it is. To add your own HTML, go back to Webmin. In the File menu, choose Upload to Current Directory. Here you can drag and drop files, or click to select them. I'll add a zip file with HTML for a mock website. Right-click the zip file and choose Extract. Once extracted, select the zip file and click the trash can to delete it. Go to the tab for the web page. Refresh. It's replaced with the mock website uploaded. This works for now, but it's not the best way to update HTML for your web pages. I prefer to keep my HTML elsewhere, off the virtual machine. I'll show how in the next video. Also, this web server is not yet public, meaning you can't see it on the internet. I'll get to that later in the series. Now you should shut down the virtual machine and make another snapshot. I'll call it Apache Installed. That completes part 3 of this series. In the next video, part 4, we'll configure the virtual machine to use a network share for the Apache document root. If this solution works for you, like the video and subscribe to this channel. It keeps more videos coming.